Hey everyone, this is Exact54 again with another basic eventing tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get animations to work for your characters, how to put music into your game, like importing music, and also for your map. I'll be showing like a flashback kind of thing where at a certain point of your game your character will remember something and we can set up an event for that. We'll put a name input for your character. At the beginning of the game, you can choose a name for your character. Party recovery and changing skills. Alright, first off, we'll go with the music. Up here is your materials folder. You click on that. You're going to come down to BGM and go to import, and you just find the song you want. So, as example, you go to documents, my music, and just pick music, and you can open it. Now it's in there, and I'm just going to delete it because I don't really want it in there, but whatever. And then you come up here, play test it, see if you like it. Now if you want to put it in your map, you come down here, right click on your map, map properties, auto change BGM, and click on the song that you just imported. Anything you import will have a red dot on the left of it, so that you know what you've imported and what's just the default stuff. So now that we've got that taken care of, we can go ahead and do the fire animation with smoke, just character animation. So you're gonna right click where you want this to be. I'm gonna click on mine right here because that's where the fire's gonna be. Now you don't have to use fire or whatever, this is just to show animation of how things move. So we're going to go to light, click on the one you want. I want this one. I'm going to go to stop animation. So you have move animation, stop animation, which is going to tell the RTP player to move this. And then if you want to, you can push through. I don't know why though, like you kind of don't want to walk through fire. We can go to direction fix sometimes, like if you have problems with your character. Well, let's say, okay, I'll show you real quick. Let's say you have the sign, the bulletin, right? We'll just click on it, and you want it to say something, whatever. And let's say you go to play it, and it does this when you talk to it. Sometimes it'll move. See, like that, it just moved. And it just moved again. Well, to fix this, you're gonna go to direction fix. That way it doesn't move. And so you go up to it. You can push it at any angle. And it's not gonna budge. All right, let's get rid of that. Alright, now let's go with the animation, which I was going to do anyways. Go to light, choose the fire, stop animation. This is good. Choose the speed. We'll go fast and high. And then we'll do smoke. But remember, with smoke, you want to be able to walk through the smoke. I think it's 4 or 5. So choose the smoke you want. And you go to stop animation, as well as move animation, and then you're going to come down here to through. That way the character can move through it. Also, you want the character to be able to move under it, not on top of it. That would look weird. So you click on always on top. And this is what you should get. Characters moving through the smoke, not over it. And there you go. You have a animation of fire and smoke. Now this guy over here, if you're wondering, I've already got the name input set up, but I'll show you how to get to it. So you set up the event. You're gonna right click, or not right click, sorry, just double click. You're gonna come to the third tab, and you're gonna go to name input processing. Now if you're gonna do this for a real game, I suggest you do it at the very beginning of the game on a very quick event, so that the whole entire game, the character's name is the same. Now, You can choose which character it is that we're changing here. What's the main character? We'll go with that. Change the max number. I just go with 12. Some people have long names. And then you click apply. Okay. I'm going to move my starting position. Let's see what it looks like. Come up here, and there you have it. You're going to type in your name. Now the X button on your keyboard is the backspace. And type in your name. I'll do Zach. Oops. And go to OK. And as you can see, if you push escape for your menu, my name is Zach. Right here. Oops. See, right here. Now, another one that we're going to take care of is party recovery and changing your skill. So what we'll do is we'll just use the same event. I'm going to delete this. We're going to go to the third tab again, and it's simple. Recover all, the entire party. Now if you just want to recover one person, you go to change HP for just that guy, or recover all for just that particular person. Another one I can knock out of the way here for you guys is changing your skill, which is on the same one. If you have multiple skills, you go to this one. You're going to forget a certain one if you run out of room, just kind of like the Pokemon games, and then you're going to learn a new one that you want them to. So we'll go with something, whatever, and we can put text with it. You learn the skill, or, you know, just whatever, how you want it to go. We'll do that. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get the flashback one, where the character has a certain memory or something that comes back into mind. And for this, we'll just make a different map. Map properties, grassland, okay. Oops, I meant to go to new map, sorry. You right click on this on the white blank space, new map. Just do a new one. Put some grass, tree, whatever, put a character here, and a guy here. Okay. Now, make it to where after you talk to this guy right here, he'll have a certain memory, and we'll go, what we're going to do is now you're going to go to transfer player, transfer player, click on the second map, and click right here, hit OK, apply, OK, and now for this map you're going to want your song or whatever it is, make it a sad song or something. Just something, doesn't matter. And then we're going to make a parallel process event. It doesn't matter where you put it. We're going to go to change screen color tone. We're going to go to gray. We're going to bump gray all the way up because it's going to be like a flashback kind of thing, so you want it to be gray. And we're going to make the player non-visible to this, so we're going to go to set move root, change opacity to 0, hit OK, and then we'll have some text going on, blah blah blah, and then we'll use a switch to end our cutscene. Name the switch whatever you want, something you'll remember. And then you're going to go to new event page, switch, and it should be there already. Apply, OK. And for this event, for this tutorial, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe.